Hey everyone, this is Randy from BibleBuyingGuide.com. I was approached last week and asked if I was interested in reviewing the Business Bible. And they wanted me to do an unboxing and a review. So all I've done is cut the tape. I haven't opened the Bible yet. So here is what they sent. Business Bible. So this is a Bible that talks about business in the Bible itself. So here we go. Let's take a look. Let's see what is inside. This works for me because I'm a business major. I have a bachelor's in business. It is one of my favorite topics. The only reason I don't blog about business for myself, I blog about business for my clients because I'm a freelance writer. But I don't blog about business myself or do a YouTube channel because there are a lot of people doing that. And I just don't want to deal with all that competition. But I do like business. I enjoy it a lot. It's one of my favorite topics. So here we go. The Business Bible. Let's see what this is. So whatever you do, do your work heartily, as for the Lord and not for people. Colossians 3:23. That's very good. I like that. Nice little card in there. That is a thick envelope. I like that. This feels like quality. That's very interesting. Ooh. That is soft. Oh, wow. What is this? Is that goat skin? It feels like it's spongy. So I think it's got something underneath between the goat skin and the liner. I actually thought they were sending a bonded leather. I was willing to do bonded leather, and they sent, that feels like goat skin. So this is the NASB Gold Letter Business Bible. So the focus is business principles from Scripture. We have edge lined. I'm going to be doing a full review later, but just my first impressions, that is soft. I like that. This is a large Bible. It feels like about the size of a large print Thompson, roughly, just going by memory. Sewn binding. You can see the stitching there. Printed in Hong Kong. Lots of gold. Business Bible. Let's see what we got here. It's a dark print. I like that. Founders of Business 2. Isaac. Interesting. So it's going to highlight the things about business in the Bible. Which, as I said, I like that idea. I like business. So this is going to be an interesting Bible. Business, economics, theology. So I have to go through here and see what all is in this thing. But it looks pretty. Looks nice. Wide margin. I like that. Yeah, it's very interesting. I guess some space down here for you to write some things maybe. I don't know. Plenty enough room to write some things though if you wanted to. There are some symbols. Probably won't find those again. Oh, here we go. There's a symbol there. That looks interesting. Yeah, this is pretty. It is a large Bible, but it's also the kind of Bible you'd keep on your desk. It's not something I'd carry around. But still, wow. I like this. Book of Psalms. So it's going to have some articles, probably. Theology, business, community. So it's probably going to have some articles about the different things on business. Yeah, this looks really good. So I'm going to spend some time with this. Go through it and see the kind of things it talks about. See what all is in here. Yeah, a lot of good information here. Business Bible, and down here it shows you what book you're in. So it's black letter. pages are stuck, so I'll have to spend some time separating the pages. That'll take me a little bit extra time. Bibles that I have to separate pages always take me a little bit longer. At this point, I've done that for a while, and so it takes me a little bit longer. But anyway, this looks good. So it's got some information on the bottom of some of the pages. Gold letter edition, so I have to see what the gold is about. Comes with an interesting bookmark. Leadership, business, economics, investing, generosity, and theology. And then there's the books of the Bible. I like that it's wide margin. So we have theology here on the side. Generosity. Looks like a case study. That works. I write case studies. That's one of the things I do, is I write case studies. So that's interesting. Hadn't really thought about those stories as case studies, but they are. They really are. And you can apply them to business. Wisdom for work, leadership, and business. So there's some articles in here that refer to business. Some call-outs. It does have a business look and feel to it. Just based on the layout with the colors and the way things are separated and set apart. Case studies, and that's business right there. Rule of life and work. So the Bible does talk about business, and it has a lot of principles that apply to business. A lot of principles that apply to business. Church economics, or economies. Principal categories. So there's some tools in the back that apply to business. So it looks like possibly an index for business principles. Gold letter principles index. Principal categories. Weights and measures. Then information about the NASB. And then there's some maps. They look pretty good. So I'm going to spend some time with this Bible. Do some study in it. And I will be back for a full review. They did supply this in exchange for an honest review. And an honest review is coming. And they did ask for an unboxing and a first look. So this is my first look at this Bible. I had no idea what it looked like inside. I knew what it was about, but no idea what it looked like. So yeah, this is interesting. I like that. Very soft leather. It feels a little spongy. So it could have some sponge or something between the liner and the cover. But wow, that's excellent. I like that. I like that blue. No ribbon. So we'll have to use a bookmark. So it's a good thing they give us a bookmark. So yeah, that looks interesting. All right, so stay tuned for a full review. I have 2 Bibles ahead of it, so I'll get to this one as soon as I possibly can. So thanks for watching.